Hey, Dustin here with Dustin Mechanical. Today I wanted to go over annual maintenance on your April Air steam humidifier. This is something you could probably do yourself, but if you don't feel comfortable with it, you can always call us at Dustin's Mechanical. We'd be happy to come out and take care of the service for you. But today I'm just going to go over how the simplicity of this is. So you're going to have an on-off switch up at the top here. This top light's going to be on. You're going to push that one time. The light over here for drain is going to come on. It takes approximately 4 minutes to drain the canister out. When the light's all completely shut off, you're going to go to your power source, you're going to turn the power off. You're going to loosen this screw up about 4 turns. The door slides up, put that out of your way. When you come in here, you're going to find a hose at the top. You're going to undo this top hose clamp. You're going to pull this hose up out of your way. There's 3 plugs, 1, 2, 3. This canister pushes straight up from the bottom. You're going to pull that out. One thing that you're going to notice is that this is probably going to be a little bit rusty and nasty. This thing has heating elements inside of that which actually boils the water like a pot of water on your stove. And these need to be replaced every year. There's no exceptions. Well water, city water, every year needs to be changed. When you open up your box, you're going to want to buy a April Air canister. Do not buy an aftermarket one. They tend to leak and then they end up corroding out the valves at the bottom. So save yourself the $40 it'll cost you about $1,500 in repairs. So in the bottom of the box, you're going to find a Ziploc baggie that's going to come with a new O-ring in it. On the bottom of the canister, you'll see right in this housing, there's a little red O-ring right around the bottom there. You're going to want to just take a toothpick, stick it behind it, pry it out, and you're going to put the new one right in that groove. Once that's in there, and you take your finger and it feels nice and smooth, this end right here is going to slide right down inside it. You pull your wires out of the way, tip straight down in there, pull this hose up, give it a little twist till it seats all the way to the bottom, a little shake. Hose goes back on the top, slide that all the way down. You're going to want to make sure that that hose clamp is nice and tight. Probably 1 turn past where you can get that. You're going to take, there's 3 wires have to go back on here now. You have this one, there's 2 black wires. They do not matter if they go on the left or the right. You can mix and match them. They'll work either way. Slide that back on. The yellow one always goes back in the middle. It has a different post on it, so you can't mix that up. When you're all done, there's a little micro switch here for the door, which will allow it to turn back on. So if you try to turn it on with the door off, nothing's going to happen. So you put that back on. Make sure that you tighten this screw back up. It makes the switch turn back on. So once that's all done, you hit the power button 1 time. The system's going to automatically fill itself as soon as there's a call for humidity on this. And that's pretty much all you have to do for your annual maintenance. So if you'd like to take care of that yourself, this is how. If not, give us a call here at DustinMechanical.com.